Hello, it's Sam from the Live Well practice here. I'm very excited to be telling you about a new workshop that I'm going to be collaborating with some excellent professionals with. It's called Soothing Your IBS. We're going to start with some mindfulness and relaxation techniques that you can experience, and I'll have some recordings to take away with you as well. And I'll be doing some mindful eating. Now, stress and being in a rush all the time plays a large part with IBS. You can feel that stomach churning, can't you? At lunchtime, Susan Hart, who is a nutrition coach, she will be preparing a delicious lunch and also giving advice about what foods soothe and what foods to avoid. But everybody's different, so it's finding what works for you, and she can help you do that. And at the end, Jane Bush, who is a colonic irrigation therapist, she'll be talking a bit about that because it's a bit of an unknown quantity for a lot of people, but how that can help. But not only that, how probiotics and other supplements can also help, and she'll be talking about that. Now, if you're interested in a ticket, it's on the 7th, so it's very soon. It's on Monday the 7th, and it's 10:30 till 12:45. If you're interested in a ticket, just contact me, sam@livewellpractice.co.uk. Hope to see you there.